Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Google Play Store download history. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Play Store and then tap on the top right corner your profile icon and select manage apps and device and select manage. And right now here you can see those app already installed on my phone, and I don't want to delete them. I want to delete. I just tap over this and I can find the option not installed. Those app already installed before and I already deleted them, and I want to delete this download history. That's why I select them. Here you can see, you can select all one by one, and then there have a icon, you can see delete icon, just tap over it and remove. So in this way you can delete all download history on your Play Store. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.